Welcome to Easy English Daily. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to speak English at the airport while booking a ticket and checking your luggage. We will practice simple English phrases and common conversation step by step. Let's begin. Repeat after me. I want to book a flight ticket. I need a ticket to New York. Is it a one-way or round trip? I want a round-trip ticket, please. When is the next available flight? What time does the flight leave? Is it an economy or business class seat? I prefer an aisle seat. I prefer a window seat. Can I choose my seat? How much is the ticket? Can I pay by card or cash? Here is my passport. I booked online. I have a reservation. Can I reschedule my ticket? How early should I reach the airport? Wow, you are doing great. Now let's go for mini conversation. Ticket booking at airport. You. Hello, I need a ticket to London. Agent. One way or round trip? You. Round trip, please. Agent. When would you like to fly? You. Tomorrow morning, if available. Agent. We have a 10:30 a.m. flight. You. That's perfect. Agent. Economy or business class? You. Economy class is fine. Agent. May I have your passport? You. Sure. Here it is. Agent. The total is 42,000 rupees. You. I'll pay by card. Agent. Here's your ticket and boarding details. Let's repeat that conversation once more. Part 2. Luggage counter. Repeat after me. Where is the baggage check-in counter? I want to check in my luggage. How many bags am I allowed? Is there a weight limit? This is my check-in bag. This is my carry-on bag. Can I take this bag with me on the flight? Do I need to tag my luggage? My bag is overweight. Do I need to pay extra for excess baggage? How much is the extra charge? Here is my boarding pass. please put a tag on my bag. Where can I collect my luggage after landing? I lost my bag. This is my baggage receipt. My bag is blue and medium-sized. Thank you for your help. Wow, you are doing great. Keep on practicing. Now let's go for mini conversation at luggage counter. You, hello, I want to check in my bag. Staff, may I see your ticket and passport? You, sure, here you go. Staff, do you have any carry-on baggage? You, just a small backpack. Staff, please place your suitcase on the scale. You, alright. Staff, it's 27 kilograms. The limit is 23 kilogram. You, oh, how much is the extra charge? Staff, 2000 rupees. You, I'll pay by card. Staff, done. Here's your baggage tag. You, thank you. Staff, you're welcome. Have a safe journey. Let's repeat that conversation together. Bonus vocabulary. Repeat after me. Passport, visa, ticket counter, boarding pass, departure gate, security check, check-in counter, baggage claim, carry-on, flight number, seat number, overweight bag, travel insurance, airline staff, hand luggage. Practice sentences. Repeat after me. I need to check in for my flight. I booked my ticket online. I lost my boarding pass. My flight is delayed. Where is the departure gate? Can I get a window seat? My bag is too heavy. I missed my flight. I am traveling alone. I have 2 bags to check in. Final conversation, from start to boarding year. Hello. I have a booking for today's flight to Dubai. Agent, can I see your passport and ticket? You, yes, here they are. Agent, thank you. Do you have luggage to check in? You, yes, 1 big suitcase and 1 carry-on. Agent, please put the suitcase on the scale. You, sure. Agent, it's within the limit. Here's your boarding pass and baggage tag. You, Thank you, agent. Your gate is. Boarding starts in 1 hour. You got it. Thanks again, agent. Have a pleasant flight. You did a great job today. Now you know how to speak English confidently at the airport. Practice these phrases every day to feel more comfortable while traveling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Daily. Let us know in the comments, where would you like to travel next? See you in the next English speaking lesson.